Hi friends, welcome to Pagan's Beauty. It's so good to be here with you all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. Woo woo. So today I'm doing another unboxing from Dressin. This is part 2. Now, the positives about Dressin, they are wholesale, great quality, inexpensive, but when I say inexpensive, it's a great buy, it's a great find. So I can't wait to show you all the gifts from Dressin. And normally I do videos on hair, but I am loving this whole situation that I have going on. Also doing fashion. So hair is beauty. So I love everything to do with beauty. So hair, fashion, products, hair products, skin products, all those things. So friends, let's start here unboxing. All right, we're gonna start with the first one. Hey friends, so I decided to speed up the unboxing part just a little bit because I realized it was way too long and I took way too long recording this video to make it a little bit more interesting. However, I got all these fabulous dresses, 2-piece sets, all this fashionable clothes, all from Dressin, great quality, and I'm definitely gonna put it in my description box. After unboxing all the outfits, I'm definitely gonna try on everything so you can see how everything fit. So the best part is yet to come. Stay tuned, friends, all the way to the end. Friends, I have included my discount code in the description, as well as the codes for the items I am modeling in this video. Just always remember that Dressin attire is great quality and they have very reasonable prices. If you like this video, friends, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you have an awesome rest of the day, and until next time, thank you so much for your support, always and forever.